Hello, hello, beautiful souls. I'm this fairy, the fairy in the wild, wild forest. So amazing. Okay, so I just came here and I just feel like this amazing, magical, mystical moments with the trees. And I'm at the Spirit Trail Mask or Spirit Mask Trail or something in Harrison Hot Spring. So I want to share to you like some of the mask. I'm not sure if you can see it or if I could turn it around. They're up there. So gorgeous. I'm gonna find a space where we can chat and you can feel this awesome birds singing, chirping. I hope you can see the mask. I'm trying, but who knows? So here I am at Harrison Hot Spring, and we just drove here, just impromptu and make your life easier, lighter. So now that we're at the month of May, Taurus is about earthing, grounding, and really find time to do some self-reflection. So last night I was with my Filipino students. So amazing. I'm so happy to be teaching in Zoom. And they're almost graduating next week. So that's the upgrade, the update for what's going on around me, the world of teaching. And Akashic Records Level 2 is happening next week. Quite busy. But today, I'm here to take my time and recharge in the forest. The forest, the spirit of the trees are ancient, are here with us to support us in what's going on around the world. So what I'm receiving from the channeling is, I like that one. See, there's two of them there. Is to stay still. Don't get stuck in the chaos or fear, in the confusion regarding the vaccine, all of that, because we are here to bring peace, inner peace, tap into your inner peace, sending prayers and light to those who are suffering. Like, it's unbelievable how can other countries like Israel have a war while there are a lot of death already that is happening around us. So the light within you is what keeps you in your power. So when you know that you are here to experience magic, to experience the joy, the vibrant energy of life, then you are in that space. You are co-creating that wonderful world within you and around you. So for those who are working towards their ascension, like lifting and transcending your victim consciousness, that you can be in a space amidst the noise and be happy, be peaceful, supportive of others who are suffering. Like, I was just watching my daughter-in-law, Kiana. She's adorable. And they have this a school for masters to be able to speak their experiences, the indigenous young generation, the Raven Institute. And I was listening to them yesterday. It just touched my heart how they are so inspiring and courageous to tell their stories, and that we are reminded to have a voice to inspire, not to get caught in the lower vibration, but be in your light and know that you are powerful, that you can create a life filled with joy, blessings, and abundance. And I'm in the middle of the mosque here. So amazing. It's like they look like they're having a conference, and most of them have a closed eyes and even have wearing a mask like this. So how can we maintain peace when there is chaos around us? First, we need to do a lot of reflection, meditation, spend a lot of time doing your journaling. And when you're able to create relationships with the ascended masters, the spirit guides, the elementals, you will feel more loved. You feel grounded and that you belong to Earth. So for those star seeds, light workers, you know, when we first came here in our incarnation, we feel like we don't belong here because we are from the stars, right? And so the calling now is really to shine your light, to create ripples of love, joy, and light. That we live in that space, that we are here to experience. And whatever sufferings that happen to us, that we can transcend it and pay our attention to the blessings, to the abundance, to the miracles. Just being here in our body is a miracle. Like, we are a part of the universe. We're cosmic soul. So yeah, I just want to say hello and enjoy the Taurus energy, the grounding, the earth. Love your body, love. I'm going through a detox again and just really watching my food, and I have a special nutritionist, so I'm really paying attention to what I ingest and how I can help my life to be healthier and to feel that joy. And also I had beautiful healing with Daniela, naturally given. So I'm telling you guys, for those who live in Vancouver area, she's an amazing angel. She brought me to this celestial realm, and I started tapping into the seraphim, seraphina. So the seraphim are the 144 highest order of the angels that are around the source, the great central sun, and now are here in our midst because we are supported by all these beings of light. And the 144,000 of ascended masters are here with us. And some of you who are watching this is already aware that you are one of them, because you're a light worker. You're anchoring your gifts, your divine wisdom, your knowledge, your truth. You help people to be liberated from illusions. So those are amazing gifts, divine sacred gifts that we have innate, and that we are here to share this, and that we are activated. Our 12-strand DNA are activated from the rainbow light. So the rainbow light warriors are here to help raise the vibration and the frequencies. So we are all creating this new earth template full of Venusian energy, the Pleiadian energy, that is about harmony, peace, joy, love. So here in the midst of the forest, I find so much joy and love, and the bird is really kind of communicating. So yeah, enjoy your beautiful May, and we are heading towards Mercury retrograde by end of May. I think it's May 26th. And Pluto, my planet, is actually on retrograde. So a lot of stillness, balance, grounding. And we have a great lunar eclipse on May 26th. We have a full moon energy, and I'm inviting you to join us for Akashic Records collective opening, so then we can assist Earth, ourselves, our family, our collective, all sentient beings. So sending you so much love and joy. Namaste.